Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today is the day I'm going to go ahead and open up the giveaway for my 700 Beautiful Wildflower YouTube giveaway. And so what does that mean? 700 subscribers, of course. I'm at 709 right now, and I'm going to trust that it's not going to drop below 700. And so I'm hopeful. And before we do that, though, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the affirmation card. And because this is going to be a very short video, so you guys can just, do the giveaway, get the rules, and get excited about it. And so I'm going to go ahead and run this giveaway until the 15th of July. And I hope I remember I said that. So 15th of July. And so you have a deadline of 6 p.m. Pacific time, 15th of July, to enter. I'll give you the rules in a moment. So today it says, I have a spot at the table. My story matters. Ooh, like it. I have a spot at the table and my story matters. This could actually be related to anything. Work, your career, or your life, right? I mean, everybody has a story. I mean, they live life, and so there's got to be a story. What is yours? And it does matter. And whatever talents you have, whatever ideas you have, whatever dreams you have, bring it to the table because it does matter. And have a dialogue about it, right? I mean, where it's appropriate, of course. And so I have a spot at the table and my story matters. And that's very important because a lot of times people feel disempowered because they don't feel like they had, the wow, career or the wow life. Does not matter. Not everybody has the wow life. And people that have the wow life may not really, be happy. So it doesn't matter because you all have unique stories. And I think what they mean by this card is that not just put it out there as a story, but bring your talents, bring your experience, and you do matter, okay? So let's keep that in mind. Alrighty then, so as far as the moment you guys been waiting for, I'm going to go ahead and open this one here internationally, because, all of my beautiful wildflowers are my beautiful wildflowers, and everybody will have the same opportunities, okay? I mean, when I do the 1,000, that may change because the box will be a lot heavier and things, and then I may just go with doing gift cards for if it was an international, internet gift card, so that way I can just ship it email to make it easier. But yeah, for this one, it'll be open internationally. You must be 18 or older, though. Please do be 18 or older. And you would have to like this video and be subscribed. And please, you guys, I can't say it enough because I'm still seeing people being unsubscribed. And as I told you about the link, and I think I'll try to drop it here. If you're being unsubscribed, please reach out and fill out the complaint form for YouTube. And, opinionated horsewoman, Stephanie was good enough to contact them and share that information with me. And so I'm really appreciative. So you guys, please use that link if you're having that problem, okay? I can't stress that enough because I hate to see you guys be picked and I'm like, where am I on you? So yeah, that's happened more than once. So please. And so the special word I want you to use is dreams. Dreams. Because the theme has been, dream your life, dream the possibilities. So for mindfulness sakes, let's use dreams. If you put dream, it should be okay because as long as it's got the word dream in it, if you put dreamed, dreams, D-R-E-A-M, okay? That's okay. But dreams would be better. D-R-E-A-M-S, okay? And so put that in the comments and then, but put it in a sentence. Please don't just put that, this is for the giveaway, okay? And so I think that's it. And all the rules will be below. This is not sponsored by YouTube or any other social media. And everything that you will be getting, I have paid for myself. And nothing's been given to me. Nothing's been sponsored. Okay, I just want to make that clear. And YouTube wants to make sure that I make that clear. And that's also below in writing as well. So yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm going to go ahead and release this today. And by the way, today is the 4th of July, right? How timely is that? Was that planned? Not really, but it just turned out that way. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, let me not take any more of your time. So I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. It doesn't matter. Just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.